Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to use a CSS clip path maker. So let's get started. So to start, you need to see what I've done here. All I've done is I've opened an image tag, I've given it the ID test, and I've given the source as flower.jpg. Now this is what our flower.jpg looks like. And this is the flower which we are going to be using for today's video. Next, in my CSS, I have used that same test ID which I used in my image here, and I have just given the width and the height as 650 and 700 pixels. So right now this is what it should look like. Now example, I want these corners gone, like example this corner here and this corner here. So let's get started with our CSS clip path maker. Now this is the CSS clip path I am using. So you can just copy this, you can just type down this link. This is also going to be there in the description, or you can just search CSS clip path maker, and this is also the first option. So after I click here, I can click on anything. Let's click on the hexagon, and you can see that here after clicking on the hexagon, I can just choose these parts and just make it look like this. Next, once I think this is how my image also should look like, you just need to go down here and just copy this text. Next, go back to your CSS and you can just paste this in, and then let us see. You can see that the corners of this are gone. Now you can use these with a lot of different shapes. Like example, we can also make this like a simple triangle shape, or we can change it up a little. So we can just copy this and just paste it instead of this, and you can see that now the image turns into a triangle. So this can also be changed into a circular or an ellipse image. So these actually don't look that good with certain images, but with others they're really good in designing stuff. So let's just paste this circle here, and you can see that this is what the circle looks like right now. So this is how we use the CSS clip path maker, and thank you. That's it for today.